He has done 7 classes in English fantasy. So let's check his basic. Hello.
Yes,
What's your full name?
Tufail Ahmed.
Uh,
But my family calls me Rana. You can call me Rana.
All right, Mr. Rana, do you work or study?
I am full-time study.
Fine. What do you study?
I am studying basic course, English basic course
In English fantasy, right?
at English Fantasy.
Fine. How many members do you have in your family?
There are 8 members in my family. My father, my mother, my 5 sister, and only one person son.
Thank you. You are the only one issues in your family, right? Okay.
Sure, sir.
Let's talk about your favorite food. What's your favorite food and why?
My favorite food, actually, favorite food means sweet. Why not? I eat sweet and cake.
Cake. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.